Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome to the Pool Student Channel and thank you very much for watching, everyone. I want to show you a shot that I learned today. It's a shot where we've got the cue ball and the object ball frozen to the cushion. Got an easy shot going in the corner pocket, but this is the end of an 8-ball game and that's our last ball. We got ourselves in bad shape here and the 8-ball is over here along this cushion, but it's trapped behind this 7-ball, the opponent's ball. How do we get on this 8 from this straight in shot? Well, I'm going to show you that, but I want to first of all give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Brian. Brian's been watching some of my videos and he's commented a few times, so I decided to look at his channel because he has one. It's called Poolology. Some of you may already know about it, but if those that don't know, I want you to go check it out because he's got some great information in there, some knowledge that he shares that can help you in your game. I'm going to include a link to his channel within the description of this video. So go ahead and click on that and you'll be able to see what he has to offer. So let me go through what it is that he taught me today in order to get on this 8. Now, if we just hit center ball, obviously we can only go forward or back, and that's no good. But if we shift our cue a little bit to the left, 1/2 a tip to the left, see how I'm doing that? That keeps it not parallel with the cushion, it's off parallel to the cushion. The significance of that is that when we hit off to the left, we squirt the cue ball to the right just slightly. And with it being tight to the cushion, it's going to drive the cue ball into the cushion and away from the 12, and we're going to miss the shot. So we have to aim away from the shot, and the cue ball actually, as he puts it, kind of curves back and catches the 12 ball. So that's one aspect of this. Now the aim point, because we've shifted 1/2 tip over, is 1/4 of the ball. So in other words, if this is center of the 12 ball, and this is the outer edge, we want to be halfway in between. And that's our aim point. So once again, we've got 1/2 a tip, we've shifted 1/2 a tip over, and the other part is I'm going to put a little bit of draw, in other words, just below the equator on this cue ball. And let's just stroke through the shot and see if we can get on this 8. Perfect. What a wonderful shot. I had to share this one with you guys. It's one that I know you guys have run into, and now you can handle it. Thank you, Brian. Hey, if you guys have any questions or comments on this, you can not only ask me, but you could also ask Brian on his video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.